Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm in baby girl's room. You guys, let's see if you guys can see me. Come on. Trying to find a way to do the camera. Okay, that will work. How are you guys doing? First thing first, before I even go ahead and start today's vlog, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much. Thank you so much to every single one of you who has gone ahead and clicked the link down below on our baby registry and all the stuff for baby girl. We are just beyond thankful and beyond grateful to every single one of you who has purchased an item. You guys don't understand how much it means to us. Just that you guys can get to be a part of this journey with us in a special way. Yes, I just want to tell you guys thank you. And there's still items on the list that you guys can still go ahead and look at if you guys want to purchase and you haven't purchased as yet and stuff like that. But yeah, we are just thankful and grateful to every single one of you who have purchased stuff for baby girl. With all that said, I am getting ready to head out right now to meet babe at Tyler's school, because should I say the school system in France is very different from school system that I'm used to, especially back in Jamaica, where you have parent-teachers meeting and you get updates on your kids at school and stuff like that. But here it's just completely different with Tyler. Ever since Tyler started going to school, we haven't had a meeting, we haven't get to go into the school and stuff like that, just to see how he's doing at school, what he's like at school, what his progress is like. Is he behaving? Is he being nice and stuff like that? What does he needs to improve on? And those are the things. We haven't get any updates. So we had write the school a letter requesting to meet with them to see so we can get an update as to how he's doing at the school, because we're really that kind of parent, we want to know. So they set a one-on-one meeting with us. So the meeting is in about 20 minutes. So baby's on his way from work. Baby's just working half day today because he worked Saturday morning, so he just catch up the rest of the hours for today. Even though he really don't have set hours for work. But anyway, with all that said, baby's on his way to come and meet me, and we're gonna go to Tyler's school for the meeting, and then we're gonna go on the road to run some errands, and then I am gonna head to work later, and then baby's gonna go back to Tyler's school in the evening to do a tour of the new section of the school, because they have a new section of the school. So where he started in September, he's not there anymore. He's in a brand new section, brand new class, brand new playroom, brand new sleep room, and all that stuff. So baby's gonna do a tour of that, but he's only one parent allowed, and since I'm gonna be at school at work, then baby's gonna go and do that later. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So I am about to head out. I just can't get enough of baby girl's room. I am going to I'm going to head out, and she's here. You guys wondered where she is. She's still in my belly. She's still cooking. 24 weeks in 2 days. Yeah, so she's here. She's cooking, she's kicking, and she's doing well. Funny story, my planting finished, and I didn't have any planting for this morning because I didn't get to go and buy it over the weekend, but I'm going today. Babe and I are going to get it today. So I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna do some fritters and eggs this morning. Did fritters, and she wasn't happy. She wasn't having it at all. I go, ugh. I vomit up everything. TMI. But just to give you guys a little idea, she wants her plantain. So I'm going to get plantain today because I really can't do without my plantains in the morning. It's plantains or nothing, okay? She's not having pancakes anymore. When I have pancake, it just comes back up. Have fritters, it's the same thing. I don't want a bread, so I have to stick to my plantain. This girl's nickname is gonna be Plantain, okay? Y'all better call her Plantain because that's all she wants. Anyway, with all that said, I am going to get my shoes on and head out to catch my husband. So, love you guys, and you guys will see babe when we get on the road, or at some point. And of course you guys will see Tyler when he gets home later. Of course I cannot bring the camera into the school, so I'll give you guys updates on how Tyler is doing at school, of course, when we get back. Love you guys, love you guys, love you guys, love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, we are back. Look who is home. He's stripping his clothes. You're covering up. Baby's about to change because we're heading on the road. We're gonna have lunch probably at McDonald's or something, and then run to the supermarket to get my girl her plantains. But first, as I step in the house, I check the mailbox, and there was a package for me. I know exactly who this package is coming from. This is coming from my girl Rose in London, and some of the things in there I know what it is, and some of the things I have no idea what it is. Rose and I met through YouTube, Instagram, and we're like sisters, dead ass. The way we talk, how often we talk, the fun time we have on the phone. You couldn't tell anybody that Rose and I are not sisters. So she wanted to send me something for baby girl, and I think something for myself. So let me guys show you my package. This is my package, and I'm just gonna pull it real quick before I go on the road, so you and I can see what's in it. Typical Jamaican with our black bag. Rose, you didn't fail. She used this bag because she couldn't find any box for anything, for the thing when she wanted to send it, and she couldn't, she didn't want to take out the things and put them in, and put them separate. Oh, she sent me a card. Ta-da! Let me see what's in her card. Oh, your tiny new daughter has arrived. Girl. Not yet. Oh my god, you must be so happy. Rose, really? It's a bonjour baby D destiny. Aww. We know you won't be tiny after all. The yummy green plantains mommy have been eating and active exercising. You are going to be perfect. And Auntie Rose cannot wait to meet you in July. Yes, y'all, she's coming to meet me in July. Meet us as a matter of fact. So she'll be here. Love you a whole lot. Hello, big brother Ty, Mama and Papa. Congratulations to the whole family. See you guys soon. XOXO. I can't wait to meet her in person, you guys. So this is my package. Okay, so let's pull it and see all the goodies that she sent. So Rose should be coming just around when baby girl is about to be born. So she will be here for baby D's birth. Hopefully she reaches before she comes out. Give you a story that I saw Rose doing a face mask, and I said to her, you know, I've never done a face mask before. Boom, she sent me face mask in the she sent me face mask in the package. And Rose is a makeup artist, like professional makeup artist, okay? So she sent me hydrating and smoothing things for the skin and for the face, for the mask. She had asked me what special I want her to send me, and I told her that I have Jamaican bun but I don't have any cheese, and here she sent me Jamaican cheese. Oh, she sent me a pack of cutie pie socks. Well, congratulations, Rose, you've given her her first pairs of socks. And what is this? Night cream. So Rose is going to get me in my first facial routine, because I've never done any of this before. And she sent me a pack of cosmetics pad for the face. So she's sending me to do a full face routine, okay? And what is this? Something for the face, for the pores. When you're a makeup artist, this is what you do. Okay. And this gift, when Rose found out what the sex of baby was, she went the next day and buy this and send me the picture. So I know this was coming and I couldn't wait to get it. Look how cute this is. So it's have a hat, it have a headband and two cute bows. So this is ready! So cute. Thank you, Rose. So those are all the things in my package, and I appreciate every single bit of it. So there you guys go, all my goodies from Auntie Rosie. It is so sunny out, so we're sending you sun. Babe and I is enjoying hanging out today.
I don't know if it's the same everywhere.
No, Rose told me this morning it's cold in London.
It's cold in UK?
Yep. She says it's cold. I said, girl, I sent you some sunshine.
The same thing in USA and terms of
New York. I was talking to Avery and she says freezing.
Okay, I was
and she said it doesn't look like it's gonna change anytime
because
soon.
here we didn't really have
winter right this year.
We didn't have no winter.
That's so true.
We feel the winter like
it's wanna come, but the chill.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of cold in night.
Right.
So whenever you wake up, you feel that okay, you need jacket.
Chill.
But you go morning, you go to work with jacket, and when you come back,
it's like you look stupid.
Right.
That's so true. So you guys, quick update from Tyler's meeting. How did it went, honey?
It went okay. We wanted
not disappointed
to know,
at all.
No, we wanted to know how it's Tyler at school and all of this thing. So she said, well, Tyler's knowing his alphabet, knowing his numbers, knowing his things.
Know his phrases.
Doesn't speak no English
at all.
That's what I was worrying, like doing
he's gonna chip in the English like
language. Yeah, you know, sometimes when you speak French, you don't know the French words, so
right,
you English
right.
Or the opposite. But you said no, I don't say. Even they were listening one song in English, and she looked at him and asking like what they say, what they mean, and Tyler say,
I don't know. Like he doesn't speak English.
Right, so she was thinking that he doesn't speak no English.
But she said he's a good kid. She said he doesn't give trouble. He's not a sneaky troublemaker. She said only thing that he defend his turf sometimes, like if he's playing and you're coming in his way, he'll tell you that, you know.
He talks a lot.
Right, she said he talk a lot. Well, damn, that's no surprise.
Talks a lot.
But she said that in a good way, you know.
She knows that she's pregnant, she's having a baby girl, she knows everything.
Tyler tell his teacher everything. His teacher could tell me I'm having a girl, okay? She could tell me I'm pregnant and all, because Tyler tell her everything. But our boy is doing good at school, and that makes my heart happy. That's what I wanted to hear. So
okay, I'm gonna park so I can go back here.
that was good. So yeah, that went well, and now we are heading to lunch. Has arrived, you guys. I'm having a kids meal with fish sandwich, just to make sure I eat it off. I can have cheesecake or something else after. And baby's having his drink with a sandwich and apples. You guys, we make a quick stop at the flower shop, trying to find flowers for the outside garden. It's a particular one that I'm looking for, but I don't see it. So hopefully I'll find something. They're so pretty.
I just went to pick up Tyler. Tyler is... Ça va? You alright?
Oui.
You hungry?
Yes.
What we gonna eat?
Fish and quinoa, but I want to watch something.
What you want to watch?
Tablet.
You want to watch tablet? But what Mama said? What Mama said? They say you watch tablet after dinner. Okay? So you're gonna eat like a big boy. He's not happy. You're not happy?
No.
You're sad?
Yeah.
Okay, tell Mama, I'm sad.
Mama, I'm sad.
Mama, I'm sad because you don't want me to watch the tablet.
Mama, I'm sad because I don't want you to watch my tablet.
Okay, sorry. Alright, so this is what Tyler gonna eat, some fish and some quinoa. I'm gonna warm it and I'm gonna give it to you. And I'm gonna get some chicken that baby she prepared before she went to work. So I hope you're having a good day. We having a good day. It's a lot of wind outside. I just came back from outside and I feel like so yeah, stay warm when you are. Oh, here it come again. Stay warm where you are, and catch you guys in a minute.
Mama first.
Après toi.
Papa's sad.
You know him say after you. Why you sad? Papa sad. Okay, Papa, how can you kiss him sad? Call him.
Papa, viens.
No, Papa's sad.
Honey, you're making him sad. You make him cry.
Papa's sad. Come.
Don't be sad.
Papa jealous because you give Mama hug and kiss first. Jealous. Papa jealous stay.
La maîtresse, elle a faim.
You guys, I came home from work and this is where I landed. In the bed. My battery died as I was talking to you guys. I was telling you guys that I got home from work and I crashed in the bed. I didn't do anything. I'm not doing nothing tonight. Baby girl is chilling. And the boys are there.
Il faut trouver ça.
Tyler gonna do good time and get ready for bed. Then soon baby girl will be laying down right here.
Good
Then it's gonna be
job.
4 of us in the bed. Right, babe? Soon baby girl will be right here.
Yeah, Tyler won't be there.
Allah, you tell. What do you mean Tyler won't be there?
Ask Mama.
Anywhere Mama is, he will be pee-pee clock out, baby girl or not. That's my boy.
Nothing make it sound so that goes to
Pat Martin.
Pat Marty
And
and
Shade Cummings.
Sammy
Shade Cummings.
Sammy
Shade.
Sunday coming through.
She here.
And the other one that
The
you
other one?
said?
Let me show you. She don't have any picture. It's this one. Okay?
Okay.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching,
See
guys.
you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. I'm gonna get ready for bed.